Hi there. Welcome to Sunnyside Journals. I'm Catherine. I have a little visit today. I've been busy. I've been busy making fabric face masks. I don't know about your area, but our medical places, clinics, nursing homes, assisted livings are starting to run short of the basic paper face mask. I'm not talking about N95s. I can't even begin to know how to make an N95. I don't think it's possible without actually being in a factory that makes them. But we can make um, fabric face masks that are washable, and you can do it. We can be like Roxy the Riveter with our sewing machines crafters. You can do it. And if you've got leftover fabric, and phone around, see if there's anyone who needs it, see if your neighbors need them. Face masks will provide a minimum of protection. They certainly stop, if someone's got a cough, it certainly stops them from sharing their germs. But if you're wearing one, it will provide a minimal amount of protection. And personally, this is my opinion, I think if we're wearing a face mask when we have to go out in public, try not to, but if you have to go out in public and you're wearing a face mask, it will remind everyone around us 6 feet apart. Stay 6 feet apart. We've got to flatten this curve if we want to save, especially our elderly and our health compromised. Now, I'm going to put a link down below of the pattern that I've been following now. I've tried 3 different patterns, and the pattern down below works the best. It is the one that makes this one and this one. This one is basically the same. I found another online crafter who's been making them as well for her local nursing home. And she only puts 2 folds in. And I thought, oh, okay, I'm going to try that. And I tried that this morning. And I've got to say, 2 folds does not give you the same face curve. Do you see what I mean? 2 folds still leaves it it's too baggy. I'm going to be cutting this open and redoing putting 3 folds into this one. Preferably, this is the nice width 1/4 inch elastic. I used all mine up. I've got a whole pile behind me. I've been making face masks now for a few days, and I am now using my 3/8 inch. But beggars can't be choosers. If it keeps you around your ears, this is swimwear elastic. This will wash in over 200-degree Fahrenheit wash water and still hold up its elasticity. So, and that's what you want. These are not just meant to be disposable. These are meant to be washed. The coronavirus needs at least a minimum of 80 degrees Fahrenheit to be killed in a wash cycle. So if you wash on hot, most family washing machines have their hot water heater set between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is sufficient to kill the coronavirus. Um, and then make sure your hands are clean when you collect them back out again to rewear them. They say put a fresh one on every time you go outside. So if I went out this morning to the drugstore and I wore this one, and then I wanted to go out later to walk down to my post box with my dog, I would put a new one on. So if you're going outside again, if you can possibly put a new one on. If you can't, they say, and this is why I'm going to be putting marker on the inside. They say, remember which side you wore close to your face so you can always keep the outer portion away from what has been exposed to your mouth and nose. And do not share your masks with other people unless it's been washed again. So there we go. from Face Mask Central here, up in the Great White North. Yeah, if if you've got fabric laying around and elastic and thread and a sewing machine and willing hands, jump in. Your family might need it. Phone around. You never know. Your family might say, well, I don't have any masks. Well, what if they need to go, groceries and that? We are still allowed to go out for essentials, food, prescriptions, that sort of thing. So you're going to need masks, people. If we want to flatten the curve, cover your face. Anyhow, I've got another I got another video to tape coming up, so I'm going to cut it short and sweet here. Link down below on how to make this mask. And this is the one, I've made several different patterns of masks, like I said. And this one was designed by a hospital in Evanston, Illinois. And they say that it meets the CDC requirements for minimum protection for the wearer and for those around them. So that's good enough for me. All right, take care, everyone, and I hope you're staying inside. And if you can't stay inside, stay safe. Bye.